Well, I guess no better place to start than kind of like the story of the Mustang, right? Bought this car 2 weeks after I got married back in 2017. And as soon as I bought it, first one that was kind of at all was my older brother. Over the last 8 years, I spent countless thousands of hours at this point building this car. There hasn't been at least an inch on this car that I have not touched. Pulling an engine off of the 1974 Bronco, it was a 302, ended up stripping it down to a complete block, had it all machined, and I put it back together myself and was able to get it to run perfectly. The T5 transmission that I got off of this thing, I was lucky. I pulled it off of the junkyard from a 96 Mustang, converted the input shaft, was able to get it to mount up with a kit. The rear end, also from the junkyard, pulled from a 2000 Ford Explorer. It's a very common upgrade for these cars is to pull it, and it has a 373 gears and it's a limited slip, and it came with disc brakes. And my brother has kind of seen this over time. The thing is, he didn't know that I was building it essentially for him. At first, it was for me, but later on, the older that you get, the more you start to realize why you like certain things. And for me, it was that growing up, he always liked Mustangs. He would always point it out on the road. I even bought the 2005 Mustang because I remember when I was a little kid, he used to always look at them and be like, that's the Mustangs with the nice fronts, you know, the classic look. So the plan is that I have entered this car into the car show under another person's name. I have a for sale sign, so it's gonna be on the window, and he's gonna come across it and he's gonna look at it and he's gonna be like, this looks like the one that you built. When they start announcing the awards, what they're gonna do is they're going to read off this letter that I so proudly wrote, and it's got a little picture of me and him on our recent birthday, because we share a very close birthday. The reason why he's coming here is because he thinks he's coming over to the very first car show that I've ever entered, and I've entered with a Thunderbird that has broken down currently, so I have to go and pick it up, but it'll be here. The most important part is that this car made it, and it made it perfectly. I don't think that there's anyone that will appreciate this car as much as he will.
All right, I got an announcement to make. We have this awesome 1967 Mustang over here that's for sale, and it has just been purchased. And we have a letter to the new owner of the 1967 Mustang. To my brother, I want you to know how much you mean to me, and I've never done a good job of telling you, so here's my way of saying it in a different way. You've been my protector, you've been my friend, you've been my big inspiration throughout my life. You were the big reason I got into cars, and you were a big reason I like cars that I do now. You've told me many times that if you were to win the lottery, the first thing that you would do was buy my Mustang. But little did you know that this Mustang was being built just for you. And to show you how much and how proud you have made me over the years, building this car has just been a test and a challenge to me. And it's been something that I'm proud of building over the last 8 years. I can't think of anyone who would drive this car and appreciate it more than you. And I hope that you can take this car and make it your own and share memories with your wife and future kids. Take these keys and above all, have fun with it. Your #1 fan, Ulrich. Oliver, this is your car.
Yeah. Are you serious?
Would you have, is there anything you'd like to say, Oliver? Get up here, come on. I was just kidding, by the way, I bought the car. Congratulations, man. That's for you.
I don't know what to say. I didn't see this coming at all, and my brother put in so much blood, sweat, and tears on that thing. The amount of swear words he's
That's what I said.
that thing. And I've always loved classic muscle cars, and I was so sad when he was going to sell it away, and now I can't believe I have one.
He gave it away instead.
Yeah, he gave it to me. You sure have a hell of a way to say I love you, bro. Jesus Christ. Thank you, man.
I got jokes.
Give me some hot dad. At the registration booth, and I will explain.
No, it's all yours, man.
It's a good thing. I'm shaking. Let's see, we are really close. Really super close.
Your brother just gave you this? I know, I'm
Dylan.
shaking.
Who's your brother?
Congratulations.
He must really like you.
Yeah, I think he does.
Try and figure out how to turn
He's all right.
this back on.
Congratulations. My brother would love me that much. He wouldn't buy me a bottle of whiskey.
Take a seat in your new car.
Yeah. Get in it. Turn it on. And drive it back. Watch, it's not going to turn on. We got it to this point. That's all that matters.
Oh man, I can't even. You shaking? Yeah. I've been so stoked. Oh God. That's a fire. Jesus Christ. Ah, I'm so stoked about this. This is insane.
Hey, we all need brothers like that. Congratulations.
No kidding.
That's
Thank you.
fucking
That's
badass.
I know. Well, he's the most badass brother I've ever known. And the other badass one's getting married. What can you teach me here?
Manual steering. Have fun turning.
This is all right. All right. Okay. Tell me what I need to know. Other than
Manual steering. Have fun. Everything else.
aren't I
Perfect.
strong enough?
Yeah, you should be good. You'll see what I mean. It's different.
Woo!
I had them custom drop the floor pan 1
I
inch.
could tell.
So that way you have headroom.
Because I remember last time, didn't I? I couldn't really I was touching the roof.
And I put in seats that you could recline, so that way you can actually fit. So this was built with you in mind. So,
I could never get. Dude, I could never get rid of this or change it. Like, I just want it exactly how it always is. Like, you put in so much work on this. I feel like changing anything would be a disgrace of memory from you.
you might want to change this row.
Okay, I'll put that. Just at least that.
That was my bad. Wait, there we go. Fixed.
Fuck, dude. I would have never imagined.
Look at this. This is custom. I F'd that up. So the carpets, they come at a one size fit, and then you cut it with a razor blade, and I straight up sliced my finger so there's actual blood in here.
Blood, sweat, and tears. I know it. Dude.
Literal
Like,
blood, sweat. Ah! Water! Oh my God, dude. But yeah, here you go. There's your entry. It is now yours. There's the specs. 4302 T5 transmission, Ford 8.8 rear end. Let me tell you everything that the car has first. I'm gonna have you pop the hood. T5 transmission, pulled it from a 96 Mustang, converted the input shaft so that way you can actually use it with this car. Rear end, by the way, junkyard trips, a lot of them. Rear end, junkyard from a 2000 Ford Explorer, disc brakes, 373 gears, which is great for highways, and limited slip, which means when you burn out, both wheels will spin.
oh, shit.
Extra
Oh, yeah.
for that. I would recommend in the future get a shroud or electric fans. Highly recommend electric fans.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
We got you.
By the way, mom and dad helped a lot in the end. They paid for the paint job, and dad helped me with the suspension. He almost died.
What?
Yes.
So, were you working on the springs?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Ask dad if he would ever do it again.
You're the one that's always on top of Orange, never to work with springs because it almost kills you.
Yeah. From going forward, I'm gonna put coilovers in pretty much everything. So that was pretty much scary.
Thank you so much.
But body and paint, only thing I didn't do, and the front seat upholstery and the engine machining.
Thank you.
Jason, bud, you didn't see that
Coming. Oh, I didn't. Everyone else clearly knew. Did Kendra know? Did you
Yeah.
know?
Yeah, Well, the car show started at 11, but I told Kendra to stall you till 12 in case you wanted to come early.
Oh. Thank you for working on it too with your dad. I saw that you worked really hard for it. Thank you. Thanks.
You enjoy it.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, drive it.
I can't believe I could
take it
do
through your
this
car
hard.
show.
So, wait, shouldn't you be taking this to car shows too? You built this. You should be able to take it also. It's yours.
I've got 5 other cars.
It's also yours.
I've got 5 other cars. No, it's yours.
Well, I want you to be able to drive it too. I'm not, you know me, the only reason I ever do anything is to also share.
This is your car. This is not my car anymore. I signed it over, and Kendra's gonna have the paperwork. It's in the Thunderbird. We'll grab it.
You got one of the coolest surprises ever, bro.
Yeah, no shit. Yeah, I just am ridiculously blessed. I don't know what to say except I'm just grateful and happy. And this has always been a dream of mine. Heck, even coming here, I was just like, man, I can't wait till one day I can afford to buy a car, yeah, and fix it up nice. I just got that. It took me an extra second. To be able to just like come to a car show one day, and now I have that, and I could do it with family. So that means a lot. It means the world. Thanks, man.
Got you covered.
Love you.
Enjoy.
I will.